get ready. Yes. Now we shall start. Now we were just talking about the plants. Plants. And we'll just see today how the parts of the plants are useful. We have many plants here. Things we get, read with me, in your mind from plants. Plants are useful to us in many ways. No need to write, don't ask anything. Just look at the screen and try to see what is written over there or listen to me. Plants are useful to us in many ways and we get many things from them. Them means plants. And let's see how the parts of the plant is useful to us. Each part. Now we'll see what we get from plants. You know the parts of the plants. Leaves, stem, branches, a bud, flower, root. Each part is useful. And we use it as our food. Now let's see how it is useful to us. Plants give us food. You will take time to see this. Plants give us
Ma'am,
food.
should we write?
We eat different parts of plants. Children, please listen. No need to write. Close your book. Just look at the screen and observe the class today and listen carefully. Plants give us food. We eat different parts of plants. Let us see that. Now see here. What kinds of leaves we eat as our food? There will be many, but I've just chosen only 3 over here. The leaves are used as cooked or raw food. Some can be eaten raw, some can be eaten by cooking it. See, they are rich in vitamins. It will help you to have a nice eyesight and they help you to grow, and minerals. Just see, they are rich in vitamins and minerals. What all things you need to grow, you will get from these leaves. See the leaves, spinach, S, P, no need to write, so just observe. I, S, P, I, N, A, C, H. Now lettuce, L, E, T, T, U, C, E, lettuce. Now, cabbage, C, A, B, B, A, G, E. Just observe all this. Spinach, lettuce, cabbage. Somebody is talking in between, please.
Ma'am, we should write it. Ma'am, I made cabbage.
Children, please turn off your camera and your mic. Sri Mugilan, please.
Ma'am, I should write this.
No need to write. Listen to the instructions given first. In between, see, you are going on asking question every class. Then I'll have to break my class. Please cooperate with me, children. I will come back to you later. No need to write anything. Thank you. Now, the leaves are used as cooked or raw food. They are rich in vitamins and minerals. This is not, it's not for you to learn it by heart, just have in your mind. So if I ask you a question, name any two leaves we use as food, you can just take from this lettuce, cabbage. At once you have to answer. That's why I'm telling you just to observe. When I ask you a question, I'll show you the same pictures and I'll ask you. Don't worry. Now we will just see the next one. Now you know what are the leaves we use as food. Got many more. Now see the lovely colorful roots. You know where these roots grow just below the soil, underground, below the soil, sand. But this also we can eat certain roots. The roots are eaten as food. We'll eat carrot raw. We'll cook and eat carrot. Radish can be cooked and eaten. Beetroot, that also some people will eat it raw as well as cooked. And see, beetroot, lovely colorful vegetable. B E E T, beet. You just separate beetroot. B E E T R O O T, beetroot. Now actually you can have the spelling in your mind. Radish, you use it for sambar, any other curry, but usually you use this for sambar. It will be very tasty and healthy. Carrot, lovely color. Carrot can be eaten raw as well as cooked. All these will come back to you later. Just see the main headings over here. First we saw leaves as food. Now roots as food. Roots. Now just have in your mind all three pictures. You'll have many more, but don't worry. Beetroot, radish, carrot. You can write your own answers or you can tell me your own answers when I ask you a question. It's not necessary. You have to see only these pictures and answer. Roots are eaten as food. Beetroot, radish, carrot. Now, see the cereals are seeds of some plants they belong to the grass family. See how the rice is grown. It looks like tall grass and seeds are inside. Wheat. We make lots of things with wheat flour. We make chapatis, puris. With rice, we'll make puttu. So many things. Now, maize can be boiled, cooked, and eaten. Barley, that's good for health. So, just look at the pictures.
Ma'am, yesterday I ate maize.
Very good, but don't answer. It's okay, you ate maize, good for your health. The cereals are seeds. These are the seeds of some plants belonging to the grass family. See, rice. R I C E. W H E A T. Wheat. Maize. MARZE. Barley. BARLEY. You will get the same thing, a recording afterwards. So you can go through because the whole day you are free. Go through it and learn all these things. Now we'll go to the next one. Pulses as food. Pulses. Seeds of some plants are used as pulses like gram. See the first one, bean. B-E-A-N. Bean. See the kidney bean there. Kidney bean. K-I-D-N-A-Y. Kidney bean.
Ma'am, I like peas. I eat them.
Okay, good. Gram. See that. You'll make lovely gravy with this for your chapatis. And the
And also
peas
I
you,
eat brown
yes,
seed in the second column.
yes, you just use this green peas for kurma, then biryani, fried rice. So you can ask your parents to make for you all this. Seeing all these colorful pictures, you just choose and tell your parents what to make today. Okay. Now, pulses as food. Bean, listen to me. Kidney bean, gram,
No, no, no,
peas. No talking in between, please. We can talk later. Yes. Now we'll go to the next heading. Next heading, we get lots of fruits. See, once
Ma'am, I
started
also ate
talking,
fruits
all
yesterday.
are talking. I don't want anybody to talk. I'll give you enough time to talk in between. No, I'm sorry, not in between. Last of the lesson. Sorry. After 10:50. Not now. Now, Samantha, sweetie, turn off your camera. Not now. Please turn off your camera. I'll tell you when to come here. Now, fruits as food. See the number of fruits with lovely colors over there. Without seeing this itself, you can see what are the things over there. Papaya, mango, pineapple, so many things, watermelon, all that you can just observe the fruits over here and can write it in your rough note and learn the spellings. Not now. Now, fruits of some plants are used as food. Some fruits are used as food. You eat fruits. If you eat one banana in the morning, you won't be able to have your breakfast because it's too big. Plantain is small, banana is quite big. So you can eat your breakfast, one or two idlis or dosas. After that, you can have one small plantain, a small apple like that. Now see, these fruits are eaten raw as they are very, very tasty. You would have eaten lots of mangoes now because just mango season is getting over now. And last month you had many watermelons everywhere. You make juice out of it. In summer season, it's very, very useful. Now, pomegranate, so many things over there. Now, see, they are juicy and rich in vitamins and minerals. You need all these things. You need to eat fruits, pulses. Okay, so you have to eat at least one fruit a day. One fruit. Now, you can just see the colorful fruits, and we'll go to the next heading. Number 6. I'm sorry, same thing. Fruits from plants. Just I'm giving you some examples because all were given together there. You just see first one, mango. Lovely ripe mango. Mangoes, apples, many apples there. Grapes, oranges, bananas, pineapples. I just told you the plural of it. It's not necessary. Just you just see and see the spelling of it. Mango, apple, grape, orange, banana, pineapple. Pineapple. Just with that apple, just right in front, pine. Pina. Nowadays, pineapple is very, very sweet. You get a lot of pineapples outside in the market or any shop. You can go have it. So, fruits from plants. Just see what are the fruits we get from plants. More fruits. You can write the names and keep it. For your reference, not in EVS notebook, any other home study you can use it. Use home study and write all the fruits names and vegetables, all that. Now, we'll just see the next one. Vegetables. See the vegetables, fresh vegetables. Some are green, some are orange. Vegetables as food. We will eat these vegetables, and some are cooked and eaten. Most of them, vegetables or some plants are used as food. They are cooked for eating. We'll just cook it. Then you can eat raw also, like carrot. Then somebody may ask, ma'am, we can eat raw carrot. True, even tomatoes I will eat raw, so no problem. I know that. These vegetables, same thing, they will help you to grow. Some vegetables will give you enough strength. You need enough strength. So you have to eat lots of vegetables. Vegetables or some plants are used as food. They are cooked for eating. These vegetables are rich in vitamin, iron, and other minerals. Now we'll go to the next. That is example, because all are given together. See, potatoes. I love potato. I like to eat potatoes. I think you also like to eat. With puri, chapati, you make masala out of potato. Then you'll make French fries. Now see this pumpkin. Little bit sweet it will be. But your mummy or your mother may make nice vegetable curry out of it. Pumpkin. Tomatoes. I think most of you will be using every day tomatoes for rasam, sambar.
My
Yes,
mummy made French fries and I have eaten them.
yes, very good. Each one of you. I'll give you time to talk, okay? One day we will just sit and talk to each
Ma'am, I
other.
know to do how to
See that?
salad.
Okay, see that? See now. Okay, now listen. When we finish, we'll talk. Yes, we have more things. Wait, potato. Now don't disturb, please. Time is getting over. Just don't disturb. 1 minute. I'll give you time. Now potato, pumpkin, tomato, brinjal, lady's finger, snake gourd. Now I'll give you time later. You just observe these vegetables' names and the pictures, so you will remember. Now next, see this dry fruits. You can eat it anytime. I have seen many children uh, and coming to school and taking all these things and eating. Some will be dropping it. You must know the value of it. It's very, very costly. You must not waste. Almond, ALMOND. L is silent. Raisin. Then pista, you have lovely ice cream. With this, they make ice cream with all the nuts and the dates and all these dry fruits. Now see the last one, dates. You must eat at least 1 or 2 dates per day. Okay. Now you have seen all these things. Now we have to do a great work after this class. You can go back afterwards and see all these pictures and observe this. Now I want you to take your notebook. I want you to open your notebook. Then only I will start. You have to please take your EVS classwork. I just want to know who's talking all the time. You take your EVS classwork note. EVS classwork note. I'll be asking you some questions. Wait. Take out your EVS classwork note. Open it. and you would have written some questions last day, last class, EVS class. Cyrus, can you tell me the last question you have written? Cyrus, please turn your
Yes,
mic.
ma'am.
Now tell me the last question you have written in your notebook.
Is a rose
Uh,
a shrub or a herb?
did you
Is
write the answer for it?
yes,
No.
ma'am.
Everybody, you have written the answer. Okay, now 1 minute. Those who did not write the answer, now, Cyrus, can you tell me the answer for it?
Yes, rose
Tell me,
is a
tell me.
shrub because it is a shrub and it has got thin stem.
Very good. Now, you just see the answer. Now, some children may not know the answer. I will explain to you. Now, you have to write. Those who did not write the answer, you have to write the answer. Those who did not write the question, please write this question. I don't know what number. You just see the next number. Leave a line where you stop. China, turn off your camera now. Leave a line where you stopped in your last class and continue the next question number. Those who did not write is the rose, a shrub, 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 or a herb. Is the rose a shrub or a herb? You know what is a shrub? It's a bushy plant. Difference between a
Mom, you should
shrub.
do the line in right hand.
Excuse me, I will tell you what to write. You just listen to me now. But all must write the questions. If you haven't written, only write the question. I will give you the answer after explaining, because some of you would have written already the answers. Leave it. Let it be like that. You can write your own answers. But I'll explain to you what is a shrub. It had it has a hard stem and many branches. Shrub. Okay. Just imagine a rose plant in your mind. Hard, hard stem, many branches, and they all grow close to the ground. Herb is not like that. A herb has weak stem. Okay. So you don't worry about the herb here. My question is the rose a shrub or a herb? Whether it is a bushy plant, strong plant, or a weak plant. A rose is a very, very strong plant. You'll have to cut it with with the scissors, what you use in the garden, or a knife. If so, your answer will be, is the rose a shrub or a herb? You must write, yes, the rose is a shrub. You can write your own. Yes, a rose is a
Mom,
shrub.
shall I write?
Yes, you can write answer. Yes, a rose is a shrub. Or you can see the answer over there. The rose is a shrub. I will dictate to you. You can see the spelling and write. Hope you'd have written the question. Now, we'll start the answer now. Capital T H E. I think when I dictate, you will be able to write, seeing the answer over here. The rose. R-O-S-E. Rose is. No need to erase your answer. Let it be there. No problem. When we check your notebook, we'll just correct it. Those who haven't written, please write this. The rose is. I-S.
Mom, you
Is.
want to write?
Please write the rose. T-H-E. The rose. R-O-S-E. S E. Rose, in your EVS classwork, IS is a small shrub. 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 Now write the spelling of because. BECAUSE. Because it has IT. It HAS has. It has. Write neatly within the double row line. A hard. It has a hard. HARD. Hard stem. It has a hard stem. A shrub has a hard stem. And AND. And many branches. Many branches that grow. Sorry. And AND. And I forgot to tell the spellings. AND and leave space. MANY. Many. Write slowly. And many branches. Small, thin, hard stems. And many branches. BRANCHES. And they have thorns on it. Branches. 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 That. 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 Grow. 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 That grow. 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 Close. 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 Grow. Close. To. 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 THE. The. Ground. To the ground. GROUND. You don't worry about the notes because that will come to you every day. You can write it. Now, is the rose a shrub or a herb? If so, why? I just want Sona. I just want Sona. And we'll go back to the lesson today. We'll just go back to the lesson. Sona, get ready. I'm going to ask you some questions. You can just observe this and tell me. Sona, are you there? No answer. Yes, good, Sona. I'll just show you some slides. And you just tell me, any one of this, just see, observe and tell me. Now tell me a leaf, or leaves of a vegetable here, over here. we can use as food? Sona. Only Sona.
Tomato.
Here.
Ma'am, you want to
I,
write this?
please listen. Stop writing. Close your notebook and just observe. I'm going to ask you questions from today's class. Just observe these vegetables I'm showing you. Sona, just tell me. Three things are given there.
Spinach.
A spinach. Only
Spinach.
one. Only one. Only one. Good. Only one answer. Now, I want, and you will be getting some marks, and I'm just marking it others. Now, Tangaratnam is always there on the screen. Tangaratnam. Can you tell me the next answer? Now, tell me the leaf we can use as food Tangaratnam. Just see the, say loud. Please, please, please switch on your mic. Yes, Tangaratnam, tell. Unmute your mic, Tangaratnam. Yes, tell me. Cabbage. Okay, good. Now you can turn off your camera. Now your chance is over. Good, Tangaratnam. Now, Abisha. Abisha. Abisha, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. See the roots. Only answer to my question, okay? Good girl.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, see any one of these roots. You can just look at that and tell me the name of any of these roots used as food. Three things are given. Just let me see whether you can read from the screen. Tell me only one name. Abisha.
Ma'am, carrot, ma'am.
Very good, very good, Abisha. Good. Carrot.
Ma'am,
Good.
beetroot.
Now listen. Somebody's out of your turn. I'll give you everybody will get a chance. Only 10 children per day. Now I just want Adonia. Adonia. You have to. Yes. Are you there? Yes. Hi. And you tell me another root. Adonia.
Mama, I get no chance, ma'am.
See, others don't ask now, please. I got some names here. Adonia. Adonia is not there. Ahil. I want Ahil. No. Akilen. Akilen. Akshara. I'm sure Akshara is there because I've seen her. Akshara, come on, your chance. Yes. Now tell me another root. Already Abhisha told carrot. Sorry, tell me.
Cabbage, ma'am. Beetroot, ma'am.
See, somebody's telling cabbage. Your root. Beetroot. Good. Okay, turn off your camera. Thank you.
Potato.
Now others. Only one. Don't confuse them. That's a stem. 1 minute. Roots. I'm asking about roots. Now, Akshara finished. Now, Akshaya. Now it is Akshaya's turn. Akshaya. Akshaya. Now just see the next picture. Akshaya. Now, tell me any one cereal over here you can use as food. Rice, wheat, maize, barley. Just see now. You're taking a lot of time. Never mind. Two small children. Now tell me, just observe this picture and tell me, Akshaya, are you there? Akshaya? No. She's not answering. Okay. Akshaya? No. Now, Akshida. Akshida. Akshida, yes, you are there. Turn your mic on. No, Akshida's not ready. Now, Fatima. Fatima. Yes, Fatima, answer. What happened, Fatima? You are there? Yes. Me, any one serial over there? Yes. Tell. She left. Getsia. Getsia. Joyce.
Fifth.
Get.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Any one name you tell
Ma'am,
me?
wheat, ma'am.
Wait, very good. Somebody else or
Rice.
Ashwant? Ashwant, don't
Wheat,
come,
ma'am.
please.
I want to say wheat, ma'am.
Okay, good,
Ma'am,
Ashwant, but don't
rice.
come and
Wheat.
Getsia. Tell once again, Getsia.
Rice. Ma'am.
Rice. Very good. Only one should answer. Yeah. Now,
Rice.
Manu.
Rice.
Manu. 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 The last question now, Manu. Anyone pulse? Anyone pulse? Just tell me the name from the screen. This is the last question.
Ram.
Yes. Very good. Now, thank you, children, for listening today. And you can leave the class today. You can,
Bye,
any
ma'am.
doubt,
Thank you, ma'am.
any doubt, you can ask
Thank
your
you,
teacher.
ma'am.